Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Evernote notes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote application and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several options listed there, and you'll want to click on Notes. This will display all your notes in the main viewing area, making it easy to select which ones you want to back up. Now, here's where you'll choose which notes to include in your backup. In the left panel where your notes are listed, you'll need to hold down the Shift button on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on each note you want to back up. This allows you to select multiple notes at once rather than exporting them one by one, which saves you a considerable amount of time if you're backing up several notes. Once you've selected all the notes you want to back up, look at the bottom of the page. You'll see a 3 dotted lines icon there. Click on it to reveal a menu of options, and from that menu, select Export. This is the action that will allow you to save your notes outside of Evernote's system, giving you a local copy for safekeeping. After clicking Export, a window will appear asking you to choose a file format. For the file format option, make sure to select the ENEX format, which stands for Evernote Export Format. This format is specifically designed for Evernote notes and preserves all your content, formatting, and attachments in a way that can be re-imported later if needed. Below the format selection, you'll notice an option called Export Note Attributes. This section allows you to customize what information gets included with your notes. If you want a cleaner backup file, you can simply uncheck the attributes you don't need. These might include things like author, tasks, create date, tags, source URL, note reminders, updated date, and thumbnail. Unchecking these options will make your backup files smaller and more focused on just the note content itself. When you're satisfied with your selections, click the Export button in the bottom right corner of the window. This will open a file browser where you can choose where to save your backup. In the left panel of this file browser, navigate to your preferred save location. This could be your Documents folder, an external drive, or any other location where you'd like to keep your backup file secure. Finally, click Save to complete the backup process. Your Evernote notes are now safely backed up to your chosen location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.